This year, our family took a much anticipated road trip. We decided to drive from Michigan down to Florida, visiting different states along the way as we took a week-long vacation. Our third stop was in New Orleans, Louisiana. But first, we found a cool critter in Mississippi.
Going near that snake without my shoes on. I'm pretty sure.
It's not a rattlesnake.
He's cute.
I think it's not a copperhead.
Zoom in. It don't look dangerous.
Is it a rat snake?
I don't think it's a bad snake. I think it is a rat snake.
Hi, buddy.
Go ahead. Oh yeah, he's a good snake.
He's a good snake.
Okay. Holy crap.
I told you it looks like a rat snake.
Holy crap.
Hi.
Do you want to handle it? I'm videoing. That is a beautiful snake.
We're friends. We go way back.
What is it's some kind of rat snake?
Eastern rat snake.
That is awesome. We were scared at first because we didn't know what it was, but
Good old Google Lens.
Oh. Does it bite? What is it?
It's an eastern rat snake.
don't move fast.
Don't move fast. You'll scare him. Just move slowly.
I feel like he's
Yep, there you go. He's smelling you. That's what he's doing.
What if he tries to bite me?
Well, then that's your own
When
fault.
you-
Don't touch
when
his
you
head.
move fast, then you're going to scare him.
There you go.
Now you got to give me a try.
Okay. Dan, handle the snake. Dan, handle the snake. What's the matter with you?
Squeeze him.
You can't handle him.
I feel like he's going to bite me.
Yeah, he probably is.
He's doing a twisty and I don't want to hurt him.
No, I won't.
I can't hold a snake.
I'm not going to hurt him.
He's gonna bite you any second now.
You might rabbit.
Yep, there he goes.
No, I don't want it to.
What if it was actually venomous?
Alright. Do you want it or do you want me to let it go?
They're filled.
I'm not keeping
It's
it.
a death blow.
Well, I don't know if you wanted to let it go since you're the one.
No, you can let him go. But I think he was trying to go across, so maybe we should let him across.
Okay. We'll get a video that shows how long it is.
He's trying to catch you.
I was wondering what these things were.
Look how big he is.
Let him go.
That's 2 snakes down on this trip.
He's so pretty.
All right. Let's get to New Orleans and do a swamp tour.
All right, everybody who has number 13, make your way down. Number 13.
Crab we found in the little area. He's about to get out of my hand, though. I gotta be careful. He runs sideways. He's super cute. Look at him.
His eyes.
Yep. Kason. Oh. I don't even know if you guys can see on the video, but there are just dragonflies flying all over the place. I really hope you can see it. There's just swarms of them, but they fly really fast. And they're all different colors too, that's the coolest part.
After the dragonflies, we drove down some side roads and saw in all the ditches baby alligators. We were amazed, and of course we had to get a closer look. There was one in particular who made sure to tease Dan as much as possible, coming up and going back down every time he got close enough to try and grab him.
No food, no croc.
Take a step towards him.
Alright, that's enough of that. Let's get some food.
Frog leg. Ready? Go.
Eat the bone.
No, don't eat the bone. Was it good? Well, now I gotta try it.
These hamburgers.
That alligator was really good too. And what'd you get?
Jambalaya. I mean,
Nice.
jambalaya, man.
Okay, never mind. And I got gumbo. It is really, really good.
We all got the same thing. It's really good.
Yeah, they got hamburgers.
Would you like a Funyun?
Something ate your Funyun. What is that noise? Oh, they're coming. Throw them further out there. I didn't know gators made noises. He's coming. Why did we pay for an airboat tour? Yeah!
He's like, all right,
I'm gonna be able to get that one.
do it.
Just a little bit.
We have caught a crab in
It's a crab.
Louisiana
Bayou.
bayou.
Next to the Mississippi River and the Gulf of Mexico.
You should get pinched.
We'll have to identify this.
Alice, you want to get pinched by this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll do it.
No, it's a crab that
Oh, it
died.
won't hurt you.
How does the crocodile?
Letting go.
Ow!
I know they kind of
Not
pinch.
too bad.
Catch, Dan.
Crab.
Danged if I know. Ow! He bites!
Oh, no. Very good.
here, you jerk! Yeah! Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. He's a fast little sucker.
Oh, no, baby. Don't hurt him.
I'm not.
You're supposed to pick him up from the back.
I know.
That's what I did.
You're supposed to hold him by the claws.
Really?
Oh, no, I think Jonathan's right. You are supposed to hold him by the claws.
Hold him by the claws.
Do it, Alice.
He got me with his claws.
Do it, Alice.
I'm
How did he get me?
He just did.
Okay.
You got it.
Can he reach back here?
I don't know.
boy.
Find out.
No, he can't. He can't move him when he's like that.
Freaking jerk. Look at his stupid face.
He's like, I got you.
I want to see.
Aw.
I swear I've seen him pick him up like that on the TV.
What are those called again? A blue clawed?
I don't know. I'll have to Google it.
Good job, Jonathan. Good job.
Oh my God.
We'll let him
That's-
keep that.
That's hard.
That's awesome. I love watching him run.